It's time to install one of these. What is this exactly? It is one of those HotRod signal switches. This is a Resto mod, 2002 frame, 2005 engine, and it's got a wiring harness. Well, let's just say it's done well, but it is integrated in 3 different ways. So I have to go ahead and install a new one of these because the one that is currently in there is broken. And yeah, wish me luck. So it shows right here a pretty decent picture of how to wire it in. There it is. Here's the old one, broke right here, right off the steering wheel. So yeah, basically I'm just gonna have to splice the wires in. Just notice this this must have fallen off of mine a long time ago. I don't have one. Huh. Oh yeah. You guys might be asking, why are we using this signal switch if we've got a column right here? This column is bare, but I haven't built this truck. It was built by Farm Truck Racing Texas. Check them out on Instagram. I did a couple videos with them on YouTube as well. So basically it has a 2002 wiring harness, 1964 wiring harness, and I can only imagine some wiring harness from the 2005 Grand Marquis if you look at the gauges here. So I think this was just the easiest, the path of least resistance for him to install. Instead of just, finding this and running all the wires and stuff, making it work or whatever, I just went ahead and got another one of these. One, it's easy to swap out. Two, this truck's already like very interesting looking. So a budget resto mod, so why not just make it a little more interesting with this? It works fine, If it ain't broke, don't fix it. All right, guys, thanks for watching this very uninformation filled video. Didn't really teach you guys anything, but it still was fun. It's kind of nice to go in the garage, tinker on the truck, and I was glad to bring you guys along with me. I guess we'll chuck this off as a vlog, I suppose. Thanks for watching, guys. If you guys are new here, check out Ford F100 World on Facebook. 121,000 members of this video. Give us a follow, give us a subscribe, hit that like button, and thanks for watching, guys. See ya.